Give your attendance. Name the tissue which is responsible for the movement of body. Name the tissue which is responsible for the movement of body. Which tissue make up the husk of coconut? 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 Sclerenchyma. Good. Name the plant tissue. Good. Name the plant tissue which found in tips of root and shoot. Name the plant tissue which found in tips of root and shoot. Name the plant tissue. Apical meristem. Very good. Sumeshri, Sanu. Lateral meristem. You are wrong. Tips of root and shoot. Apical meristem. Sides of stem. Which type of meristematic tissue found in sides of stem? Which type of meristematic tissue found in sides of stem? Lateral meristem. Right. You are wrong, Sanu. Lateral meristem, sides of stem. Which type of meristematic tissue found at nodes? Found at nodes. Which type of meristematic tissue found at nodes? Which type of meristematic tissue found at nodes? Intercalary meristem. Very good. Water and minerals are conducted by dash. Water and minerals are conducted by dash. Water and minerals are conducted by dash. Phloem. Water and minerals are conducted by xylem. Phloem is incorrect. In higher plants, food is conducted by dash. In higher plants, food is conducted by phloem. Cartilage consists of dash cells. Cartilage consists of dash cell. Cartilage consists of dash cells. Cartilage consists of chondrocyte. Bone consists of dash cells. Bone consists of dash cells. Who can say? Bone consists of dash cells. Osteocyte. Bone consists of osteocyte cell. Name the tissue which store fat in animals. Name the tissue that store fat in animal body. Name the tissue which stores fat in the animal body. Who can say? Name the tissue that stores fat in animal tissue. Bismay. Adipose, you are right. Very good. Name the tissue that divide and redivides to grow in plant. Name the tissue that divide and redivides to grow in plant. Name the tissue that divides and redivides to grow in plants. Sumesri, Sanu, Bubu, Gaurav absent, Siddhi absent. Divides and redivides to grow in plants, meristematic cells, tissue. The tissue that joins bone to bone. The tissue that joins bone to bone. Okay. The tissue that joins bone to bone. Name the tissue which joins bone to bone. Ligament. Very good. Ligament. Name the tissue that covers the external surface of animal body. Name the tissue that covers the surface of animal body. Epithelial tissue. Name the tissue that covers the external surface of animal body. Epithelial tissue. In which part of our body cartilage are present? Cartilage connective tissues are present in which part of our body? Cartilage connective tissue are present in which part of our body? Nose, ear, trachea and larynx. Nose, ear, trachea and larynx. What is the atomicity of aluminum sulfate? Write the atomicity of aluminum sulfate. You have to find how many atoms are present in the aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate chemical formula Al2SO4 Number of aluminum atom is 2. Sulfur is SO4 means sulfur is 3. Oxygen O4 means 12. 12, 3, 15 to 17. Atomicity of aluminum sulfate is 17, not 11. You are wrong, boo. Aluminum sulfate. Write down your copy. Write down in your copy. Al2SO4 aluminum sulfate. Okay. What is the molecular mass of sulfuric acid? Write the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Write the molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid H2SO4. 2 atoms of hydrogen plus 1 atom of sulfur plus 4 atom of oxygen. 2 plus 32 plus 4 into 16, 64. 98 EU. Define atomicity. Very good, Sumesri. Define atomicity. The number of atoms present in a molecule is known as atomicity. The atomicity of phosphorus is dash. Atomicity of phosphorus is atomicity of phosphorus is 4. That is tetraatomic. Atomicity of phosphorus is 4. Write the chemical formula for ammonium chloride. Write the chemical formula for ammonium chloride. Gaurav. Write the chemical formula for ammonium chloride. Write the chemical formula for ammonium chloride. Who can say? Ammonium chloride, write down NH4Cl. Also, you have to write the ammonium sulfate. Write the chemical formula for ammonium sulfate. We can write ammonium sulfate. We can write ammonium NH4 plus 1 sulfate SO4 2 minus cross NH4 whole 2 SO4 NH4 whole 2 SO4 ammonium sulfate NH4 whole 2 SO4 ammonium sulfate. Write down. What is the ratio by mass of combining element in carbon dioxide? What is the ratio by mass of combining elements in carbon dioxide? CO2. Bubu, you are wrong. NH4 whole 2 SO4 ammonium sulfate. NH4 whole 2 SO4. Sanu is right. Bubu, also you are wrong. My question is that what is the ratio by mass of combining element in carbon dioxide? The atomic mass of carbon is 12 CO2, 2 atoms of oxygen. The mass of oxygen is 2 into 1632. 8 is to 32. 12 is to 32, which is 3 is to 8. Somyasri, you are right. Sanu also right. Similar question. What is the ratio by mass of a combining element of ammonia, NH3? What is the ratio by mass of a combining element in ammonia, NH3? Atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. Hydrogen, 3 atoms of hydrogen, 3, 14 is to 3. Good. Write the chemical formula for aluminum hydroxide. Write the chemical formula for aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide AlOH whole 3. You have to put brackets and what is the SI unit of thrust? What is the SI unit of thrust? What is the SI unit of thrust? Son, you are wrong. Who can write SI unit of thrust? Bubu, you are also wrong. Who can write SI unit of thrust? Somesri? Siddiq? Vishwal? Newton? When the force acts perpendicular to the surface, this force is known as thrust. SI unit of thrust is Newton. Okay, Aish Kumar. What is the SI unit of pressure? What is the SI unit of pressure? What is the SI unit of pressure? Pascal. Good. Next question. What would happen the force between two objects if their distance between them get reduced to half? What would happen? What would happen between the two objects? You are wrong. What would force affect between two objects if the mass of two objects get halved? Mass of two objects get halved. 1/4. Very good. 1/4 of the original force. What affect the force between two objects if the distance between them get reduced to half and mass of two objects get doubled? Again, repeat the question. What affect the force between two objects if the distance between two objects get half and mass of both of them doubled? Bubu, you are wrong. Who can say? Distance between them get half and mass of them get doubled. 2m, 2m, double, 4 mm. By 1/2 the whole square means 1/4. 4, 4 cancel. Remain same. No change in force. No, you are 16 also wrong. 16 times. Good. 16 times is correct answer. Very good. The SI unit of weight is? The SI unit of weight. SI unit of weight is Newton. Weight is constant or variable? Weight is constant or variable? Weight is constant or variable? Weight is variable. Name the term for the upward force exerted by a liquid on an object that is immersed in it. Name the term for the upward force exerted by a liquid on an object that is immersed in it. What do we call it? The upward force exerted by a liquid on the object that is immersed in it. We call it buoyancy. Good. If the object has density more than water, then the object will float or sink. If the density of object is more than the density of water, then the object will sink or float. Write down, who can say? Write down. Any other? Sink. What happens to the force between two objects if the distance between the object is tripled? What happens to the force between two objects if the distance between the object is tripled? Open your copy, write down the question, numerical question. All of you listen me. Write the question in your copy. A ball is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity of 49 meters per second. A ball is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity of 49 meters per second. All of you write the question. A ball is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity of 49 meters per second. Calculate the maximum height to which it rises. Calculate the maximum height to which it rises. Again, repeat the question. A ball is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity of 49 meters per second. Calculate the maximum height to which it rises. What are given? A ball is thrown vertically upwards with a velocity of 49 meter per second. Here initial velocity u is also given. U is 49 meter per second. Final velocity will be 0. Here acceleration means g. G is which is opposite to the acceleration. So g is minus 9.8. When object thrown upwards, the g value will be negative. Initial velocity u is 49 meter per second. Then final velocity v will be 0. meter per second, and G, which is opposite to gravitation, so G is negative, G is minus 9.8. You have to find the maximum height, means you have to find the distance traveled by the object when thrown vertically upwards. What is the distance covered means you have to find the height of the object by using equations of motion. V square minus U square equal to 2GS. V square minus U square equal to 2GS. Then calculate, put the values that are given. Anyone find the answer? Who find the answer? Who find the answer? Sanu 122.5, very good. Meter, good. Then find the total time it takes to return to the surface of the earth. Calculate the total time. Next bit of this question, Sanu. The total time it takes to return to the surface of the earth.